Welcome back to Eizy Customizer. Here we build, we share, we inspire you guys. My name is Eizy and today we're gonna take a look at the ZA plastic model kit. This is the Zoid Murasame Liger from the anime Zoid Genesis. I got this Zoid in last month and snap fitting all the parts together, and this is actually what you will get from the box, without the paint job, without the decals, but actually it also comes with a sheet of water slide decal, which I didn't use any of this yet because I'm planning to paint this Zoid later. And it also comes with another additional armor here with different color scheme. This is much lighter compared to the blue one here. This is actually the same design, and you can choose either to use this color or the default blue one here. So the next info that I got is, if you guys ever heard of Supernova plastic model kit that ever released the Gundam Wing series back in the day, and also the Pretty Armor that ever released the Pretty Armor Girl plastic model kit too. That actually the bootleg version of the frame of Girl, obviously. They are actually the same company. Let's check out the plastic quality, like the armor here. Well, obviously you can see and feel this is actually the same feeling from the old Supernova kit. Even we check out at the back here, most of the parts including the Zoid here are actually on the gates. Talking about the snap fitting, I have no snap fitting issue at all. Obviously it doesn't have any loose part, and this kit is pretty solid. The joint movement, the articulation are so nice. Kotobukiya, Frame Arms Girl, Bandai High Grade Gauntlet, an Android. Check out this head design here. This is a very nice color separation. We have all the strips here. This yellow piece here is one part. The white piece here is also one part. And we have the cockpit design inside, but unfortunately there's no minifigure for you to put them in. And also we have a transparent red eye here, and this part here can open up like that, close like so, and the mouth can open up not that far. Really nice part separation from the inside, the teeth. And this piece here also can move like so. So next is the head articulation. It can go up about that far, go down about that far, side to side like so. So that's it, because this is one is using a ball joint connected to this piece here. For the front leg here, it is connected using the ball joint, so it can go round like that, going up and down, forward, backward like so. And this is using a double jointed, so we can move one point like that, and then two like so, and then go forward again about that far. And also this part here can go up and down about that far, and the claws here can make one full rotation, going up and down about that much. So this is one cool part separation for the claws here. This is obviously one piece connected to this main frame here. And then this part separation for the red detail here, also in different color. And not to forget to mention, this thing here can move like so and like that. The rear legs here, also connected using a ball joint, so we can go around like that, forward, backward, going up and down like so. Also, this one is a double jointed, so we can move like that and like so. And then there's another articulation here, you can move like that and like so. So same goes with this one here, you can move up and down like so. And the claws also can make one full rotation and a very nice part separation. Oops, I dropped that one. So the claw is just slide this one inside the main frame here. Pretty cool, right? Very nice design. For the tail at the back here, this is the wire connection, and this part can lift up like that and like so. We have the weapon here, so the color separation for this one is also nice, and the connection for this one at the back is actually like that one. You got the wire and just slide them in like so. Check out the main body frame here. So there's a lot of articulation. This part can go up and down about that far, side to side like so. Same goes with this one here, can go up and can go down, side to side like so. So you can bend it about that much like so, going up and going down like so. And for the head here, this part can move up about that far, down, side to side and like so. For this man weapon here, this is connected using a pack with this hole here, and this piece here can move side to side like that and like so. For the attachment, well, before that, this pack is also can be moved side to side like that and like so, and just simply slide this in like that. You can make one full rotation, and then can go like that, like so, and this can open up like that and make it straight like so. And this is pretty long weapon indeed. Same goes like the same length like this Murasame Liger. So you can check out the detail here. I don't know how to read this one, but the carving here are actually the same like the anime, I think. Let's see it. And also this very shiny looking paint job. And also we have this piece here too for the weapon, and that's it. I forgot to mention the extra details for the legs here. We have the front and the rear leg. This part here actually can open up like that. You simply pull this one out and you will get a better range of articulation for the Murasame Liger. Also, we can see the details inside here too, in the silver color, and also at the back here there's another detail here, small detail, and same goes with this one here, and also inside this part here. For the bottom part here, we have this very nice looking silver part, and also we have this hole for your action base. And so for the conclusion, the question now is it worth your money to get the ZA Murasame Liger? The answer is yes. If you guys ever see this model kit in your local hobby shop, don't think twice about that. Just get this plastic model kit as a part of your collection for the Zoid. This is the cheapest alternative plastic model kit for the Zoid line out there. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, RZ Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on RZ Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.